is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Now, it's going to be like 104 with the heat index today, so Owen and I snuck out early. We're come back to this little lake where we were the other day, where Owen tore it up with the Senko. We're going to go down and try to catch a few topwater fish, and then start flipping some bushes. So, got a box of tackle in the mail last night, so today we are after a big Schwanchosaurus Rex. Schwanch hunting starts now. Had a bite. There we go. Huh? Got one. No, it's a little one. On the plopper. Plop daddy. Well, first fish of the day, come on a plopper. So I'm going to try one of my new baits. This is the Culprit Ultimate Topwater Shad. Hollow body, super durable. 3.5 inch. I just got this last night from Tackle Warehouse. I got a few of them. They're like $5.97 on clearance for $1.97. I read the reviews. Some guys say they're awesome. A lot of guys say they get huge blow-ups, but their hookup ratio sucks. Now I can see why. Because the weight here is right at the bend of the hooks, and when you put pressure on it, yeah, I don't like that at all. But I'm gonna give it a try. If anything, I might tear that weight out. Oh, but then I don't know. We're gonna tie it on and see what we can come up with. All right, folks, first cast with the Topwater Shad. The thing walks really good. Holy smokes. I can sit and walk it in place all day. I missed one. Three blow-ups. Okay. Well, quick update, folks. It's tougher than we thought out here. Caught one on the plopper. Had 3 or 4 blow-ups. 3 on the Topwater Shad. This little guy. Couple blow-ups on the frog. Couldn't get them hooked. So we're going to head over and flip some Senkos into the bushes. Stay tuned. There's one. Oh yeah. About time. Well, it's a little one. Right by that rock. Big old donkey. Well, the struggle is real today, folks. It's getting really hot. We couldn't get any bites trying to crank deep, so we're gonna call her a day here on this lake. So I don't know, we might head to another lake before we go home, so stay tuned for that. Well, folks, that does it for us on the lake today. It is scorching. The heat index is like 100 right now, so I'm sweating, so we're gonna call it a day. But before I do, I figured I'd show you all what's inside the magic box right here that came last night. First up, I got a new floaty case from a GoPro. I'll put a picture of that right here. And I showed you the topwater shad. I got some strikes with it, but like I said, I don't know about the hookup ratio. I got that, and I also got another one in bluegill color.
A Halloween boy.
So we'll try that out. I got the Cream Lures Speed Screamer. This is a new bait by Cream Lures. In my opinion, it's like a Biospawn Vile Craw meets an Ultra Vibe Speed Craw, is kind of what I'm gathering. It's a real small craw. It's really soft. Owen did throw it today on a shaky head. We dipped the tails black. He said he got some hits, but no fish in the boat. So we're gonna do a challenge on those. I only got one pack, 6, and Owen lost one, so I got 5 left. So we're gonna do a Cream Lure Speed Screamer challenge coming up. Got those, and I'm really excited about this. These are by Doomsday Company, Doomsday Tackle, and this is a flippin' pitch bait called the Mauler, the Tackle Mauler, 4.2, and I got 6 of them in here. I got green pumpkin. Look at that. Now that is juicy. Really, really thick body. Big claws. The only thing I'm worried about is in the package here, I think they got smashed, and it's kind of kinked, so I'm wondering if that flap is even gonna kick any water up. So I might throw them in a tackle tray or something, or I might try boiling them, see if they'll straighten out. But super excited about that. Get back to another lake. We're gonna do a tackle mauler challenge. I also got some line. Got some Godline 50-pound braid, so I'm going to try that out. I'm going to throw that on my frog rods. I got some Sunline braid too, and I got a bunch of Spike It markers. So I got this is crawfish scent. I think this one is orange. This is garlic scent, and that's black. This is garlic scent, and that's orange. And this is crawfish scent, and it's black. So that's about it. So I'm pretty excited to do a couple challenges with these new baits, see what we can come up with. In a couple days we're going to get at that. So it is really hot. We got a lot of tackle prep. I got both my frog rods I want to put new braid on, put some new fluoro on the flipping rod, a couple other rods I haven't used in a while. I'm going to string them up and use them this week. So pretty exciting here at Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. We got a lot of awesome stuff coming up. So thank you so much for watching this, taking the time out of your day to watch our videos. We got some WWE action tonight, so we're gonna go watch. Who are we gonna watch tonight?
AJ Styles, Shinsuke Nakamura.
The SmackDown roster.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you get notified every time we put out a video.
Go John Cena.
Smash that thumbs up button. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.
John Cena.